Saturn has over 80 moons, but one of them stands out as one of the most fascinating and mysterious worlds in our solar system: Titan. Titan is the only moon with a thick atmosphere and the only place beyond Earth known to have liquid rivers, lakes, and seas on its surface. However, these lakes aren't filled with water. They're filled with liquid methane and ethane, creating an alien yet strangely familiar landscape. Scientists believe Titan may hold clues to how life began on Earth, and, possibly, whether life could exist elsewhere in the universe. Titan was discovered in 1655 by Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens, but for centuries it remained just a small, blurry dot through telescopes. It was in until NASA's Cassini-Huygens mission in the early 2000s that we got a closer look, and what we found was breathtaking. Titan is the second largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than Mercury, and is covered in a thick golden haze. This haze is caused by complex organic molecules in its nitrogen-rich atmosphere, which is surprisingly similar to Earth's, but with one major difference: there's no oxygen. Instead, Titan's sky is filled with nitrogen and methane, making it impossible for humans to breathe without a spacesuit. One of the most astonishing discoveries came when the Huygens lander touched down on Titan's surface in 2005, making it the first spacecraft to land on an object in the outer solar system. The images it sent back revealed a world eerily similar to Earth: valleys, coastlines, river channels, and even what looked like a shoreline. But instead of liquid water, these features were shaped by hydrocarbons. It turns out that on Titan, it rains methane, forming lakes and rivers in a never-ending cycle that mimics Earth's water cycle. Instead of a water-based hydrological cycle, Titan has a methane cycle, where methane evaporates, forms clouds, rains down, and fills vast lakes, some of which are larger than the Great Lakes in North America. But Titan isn't just interesting because of its lakes and atmosphere. Scientists believe it could be home to some form of alien life. Even though its surface temperature is 290 179 far too cold for liquid water, there is strong evidence that an underground ocean of water and ammonia exists beneath Titan's icy crust. If this ocean exists, it could provide the conditions necessary for life to evolve, much like deep-sea hydrothermal vents do on Earth. Some researchers even speculate that Titan's methane lakes could support a completely different type of life, one that doesn't need to rely on water, but instead uses liquid methane as a solvent for biochemical reactions. Another mind-blowing fact about Titan is that if you could stand on its surface, you might actually be able to fly. Because Titan's atmosphere is 4 times denser than Earth and its gravity is much lower, a human wearing wings and flapping them could, in theory, take off and glide through the air. No other place in the solar system offers such a possibility. One of the most exciting upcoming missions is NASA's Dragonfly, a drone-like spacecraft set to launch in 2028 and arrive on Titan in the 2030s. Dragonfly will fly across Titan's surface, exploring different locations, sampling its chemistry, and searching for the building blocks of life. Unlike a rover that drives across the ground, Dragonfly will be able to leap great distances by flying, making it the first aerial mission to another world. Titan is one of the most promising places in the search for extraterrestrial life. With its complex chemistry, Earth-like landscapes, and possible underground ocean, it represents an alternate version of our own planet, one where life could have taken a completely different path. If we ever discover alien life in our solar system, Titan may be one of the best places to find it.